Hi lovely people, I hope you're doing well. Today is another cleaning video for you guys. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share. Guys, as you can see, my lounge is a mess. My daughter is sleeping on the couch. I don't know what she's doing there, but we did her hair last night. And yes, the lounge is a mess. It doesn't get very dirty. It's only two of us, but I like to be organized. Yes, so let's crack on. I've got here plenty of dishes to keep me very busy. I have to, clean those pots and pans, which is my least favorite, but it gotta be done. I enjoy cooking and my kitchen does get quite dirty. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and yes, make sure you are subscribed, and thank you so much. Guys, before I start cleaning, I'm going to make myself a nice shake with all natural ingredients: banana, strawberry and pumpkin seeds. There's a wealth of a value, nutritional value, healing properties to pumpkin seeds, guys. It contains healthy fats, magnesium and zinc. There's a lot of benefits to consume pumpkin seeds. Includes if you have a heart problem, obviously you have to consult your doctor before anything. It helps as well, gives protection against certain cancers, which is fantastic, and it has got a lot of vitamins like vitamin K, magnesium, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, all within your recommended daily intake. Also, it has vitamin B2, potassium, and much more. Overall, benefits are just incredible, and I decided to include pumpkin seeds in my daily intakes, really. So you can put like in your smoothie, you can put in your cereal, do your research, but it is amazing. Guys, I'm just transferring cereals and also my cooking condiments into the new little jars, little pots that I got from Morrison's. Will make just much easier when I'm cooking, and they were like £1.60, so I'm probably gonna get some more. They're much better than keeping things in the packaging. It looks awful, and everything ends up falling as well inside the cupboards. So like this, I'll be able to manage, you know, my ingredients, my seasonings and stuff much better. So it looks quite neat and pretty. Guys, that shelf up there is slanted and it looks like it's gonna fall. I'm a bit worried. I definitely need to ask for help. Someone will have to come to assist me with that. Although I could do myself, maybe if I try it. I might try it actually. Guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you guys sort out your dishes by like pots, pans and plates, the way you wash it? Do you do like in a sequence, or how do you guys do? I tend to sort of do my glasses and cups first, and then I move to plates and so on. Guys, always amazes me when people say, oh, your house never gets dirty because it's just you and your daughter. You'll be surprised how, because we live here, of course it's gonna get dirty. You know, we are living in here, so you get dirty no matter if it's one person or two. You eventually get dirty, but it gets really terrible if I don't do anything for 3 days. Lovely people, do not forget to leave your comments down below, because that's the only way YouTube will be able to notify more people about my channel. Thank you so much in advance. Guys, your interaction is very important here on YouTube land. Basically, if there's no comments, no sharing and stuff like that, the channel doesn't grow. No matter if the content is very enjoyable, pleasant, people won't find us. So I would appreciate if you could share my content. Also, liking the content really helps as well. Guys, I finally can get some natural light in the property. They had my windows wrapped up with the wrapping paper, I mean like plastics, because they were sanding down the walls outside the building. That made very difficult. 2 years of that. I mean, guys, I can't wait to buy my own property, living like in a council building. They do whatever they want, and you can do nothing about it. For 2 years I couldn't look out the window. can you imagine? I mean, like I said, I can't wait to make my own money and, and get a mortgage really. I always worked anyway, but I had so many setbacks in life and I did not get a mortgage. But in the near future, God willing. Guys, this yellow light in this room, it drives me nuts, I have to say. I mean, I changed to sort of the white light and it felt like an office. I couldn't relax at all. Probably need to get a dimmable switch, and I have to change to something a bit not too cool, not too warm. But I have to say, even my recordings in this lounge is kind of sort of a yellow, and I find very hard to change it. Just start here picking up all my daughter's teddy bears. Wherever she goes, she has to have them. It was quite funny. 2 days ago, we were going to get on a train, and she said, "Oh, mommy, let me run in my bedroom. I need a teddy bear." And I said, "You remember, you are 10 years old, madam. 10 years old. You need a teddy." She does like to stay comfortable everywhere she goes. I suppose if I take her to the beach, she's gonna need a teddy as well. Only joking. She's smarter than that. Yes, guys, if you are enjoying these videos so far, smash that like button and don't forget to press that notification as well. Guys, if you lasted this long, thank you so much. You are a real troop. Definitely make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like I said before, it's very important. Let the channel grow. Help, help, help. And yes, guys, I'm going to start mopping, and I'll be vacuum the lounge sometime tomorrow. And I just want to say thank you very, very much, guys. And until next time, love you guys. Bye now.